So I've got these. They are allergy friendly. They don't have any of my food allergies in them. Grain free, dairy free, all of that. They're also nut free for kids, I guess, that are people have nut allergies. So here is 3, and I cut them in half. I was just eating them as a breakfast, but then I had to eat something else with protein and balance it out. So I decided, why don't I make a cute little breakfast? So, and it's Saturday. I like to make pancakes or something, and then I have these strawberries, which I learned from YouTube. If you take them out of their package, because they come in plastic like that, and you put them in a jar, try to pack them tightly, and then I put them in the back of my refrigerator, they last a lot longer. I've already had these since Wednesday. They're not moldy. They're keeping quite well. So I have another pack in the fridge I have to put into jars. So I'm going to make a special breakfast out of these things. For my protein, I had picked this up from the food bank a few weeks ago. So this is my nut butter. No, I don't have a nut allergy, thank goodness. So that will be my protein, fruit, my bread, more or less. Well, I couldn't get my, my fancy phone holder. So here it is. I've spread the nut butter on to the little half muffins. So I've cut them in half. And I'm going to put some strawberries. There. So there, I put the strawberries on 2 halves on each one. I only used a few strawberries. I still got quite a bit left. Those will go back in the refrigerator. And yeah, so there is a sweet little breakfast. Looks like a flower. Doesn't look much different, but I put it in the microwave. It warmed and melted the nut butter a little bit, and then the strawberries aren't so cold. But just for like 30 seconds, just to take the chill. It softens up the bread, the muffins, and the nut butter. So there is my new creation for breakfast.